Hello, welcome to Tantra Tuesday, and today I'm talking about essential oils. And I love essential oils. However, I like to crush some of the holistic things out there. So I've in the past, when I had group yoga classes, liked having essential oils to help the group, or private sessions, maybe with some lavender for stress or rose for being uplifting. And that's good. And I still do essential oils in my house sometimes because I like the smell, but I don't think we should make essential oils our primary thing. People think that they need to go out and spend money to heal themselves or be healthier or have more self-growth. We don't have to spend any money. Like, if you are only working with anxiety or stress or whatever it is, with essential oils, burning them in the air and not doing meditation and or guided meditation and figure out why you have this beyond just your job or whatever, then you're just kind of putting a band-aid on it, and eventually it's going to get more infected. So you got to deal with this stuff. So yeah, I like the smell and everything, but I think people get really obsessed into this. I know like a couple of people that love essential oils so much that they will buy an essential oil over groceries. They think that, that week or two, they really need this certain essential oil to fix some kind of health problem they have or emotional problem. So they'll do that before going out and getting healthy food. Like, our priorities, in my opinion, will be meditation, nice body awareness yoga kind of practice, and then, healthy food and plenty of water, whatever, healthy food means to you within reason. And then underneath that somewhere is essential oils. So people can put a lot of crutch on essential oils. So you have to look at, am I trying to buy my happiness with these essential oils, or am I doing it just as a little bit of a supplement? So we can always find free practices for healing ourselves. And part of it is like people really get into like third-party marketing or pyramid schemes. So yoga teachers and massage therapists love being able to make money by selling these third-party essential oils. So I always kind of somewhat question everything. I know there's a lot of benefits, and I do a lot of research around essential oils and supplements and stuff, and they work, but you can't put money, you can't believe in like them healing everything. We have to do other things as well. So and the same probably goes with buying crystals and stones. Like, looking at everything, we're spending money trying to buy our health, when we can just go out in nature, in the fresh air, and get exercise and breathe in that good ass prana, as Rolf Smart says, and start from there. So let me know what you think about essential oils, whether they're like the cure-all for everything and the opposite of that. They help a little, or it's all in the mind. I don't think it's all in the mind, but maybe you do. Let me know.